How to create AI demos using LiveDemo AI. First, open your web browser and visit the official LiveDemo AI website. Sign into your account or create a new one if you're using the platform for the first time. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create Demo or Start Creating. LiveDemo lets you build interactive product demos by capturing workflows from your website or application using its desktop app or Chrome extension. Next, choose how you'd like to create your demo. You can capture a live workflow from your application or import an existing project. Simply perform the actions you want to showcase, and LiveDemo automatically records every click, scroll, and interaction. After the recording is complete, customize your demo by editing steps, adding annotations, inserting call to action buttons, enabling AI voiceovers, or personalizing the text to match your audience. You can also apply your brand colors and theme to make the demo look professional. LiveDemo generates a shareable link that you can send to customers, embed on your website, include in email campaigns, or add to your help center. You can also view analytics to track how people interact with your demo. That's it. You've successfully learned how to create AI demos using LiveDemo AI.